Alright, so if you're in real estate investing, you know the numbers make or break a deal. That's where the ReSimpli Calculator comes in. It's designed to help you get accurate estimates on key metrics such as your purchase price, rehab costs, profit margins, and ROI, all in one place. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Tiara, your real estate mentor, and today I have something that's going to make analyzing your deal so much easier and faster. If you're tired of crunching numbers and second guessing your math, then you're going to love this. In this video, I'm breaking down how to use the ReSimpli Calculator to quickly analyze deals, make smart investment decisions, and of course, get closer to locking in that next big deal. Now, before I show you the step-by-step demo of the ReSimpli Calculator, make sure you subscribe to my channel so other viewers like you will get the same value. So if you're ready to simplify your investing and save some time, keep watching. I am currently inside of active leads and I'm going to add a lead. So the ReSimpli Calculator doesn't work to my knowledge unless you add a lead. So that's what we're doing. So since this is a test account, we're going to put test for the first name and last name. I'm going to make up a number here. I'm just showing you how the calculator actually works. I'm going to put in a test email. The lead source, we're just inputting data here. Using website leads, scrolling down. What is the address of the property you're calling about? 123 Main Street. So the cool thing about ReSimpli is once you put in the address, it is going to bring up that property for you on Google Maps. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more real estate investing tips. And it automatically pulls up more information about the property owner, their mailing address, numbers, mortgage info, sale data, MLS. I mean, it goes on. So once we have that inserted, we're going to add this lead. Alright, we just added a new lead. I love that noise. Da-ding, it sounds like cha-ching. Alright, we're gonna go to calculator. So ReSimpli has two versions of their calculator. They have a basic calculator and an advanced calculator. So the basic calculator, what we're gonna do is we're going to need the ARV of the property. The ARV stands for after repair value, what the property is worth after the house or property is fixed up. So just because this is a test account, we're going to put a random number in here of $170,000. Now if you're a fix and flippers, most fix and flippers go by the 70% rule, which calculates that for us and gives us $119,000. That is not including repairs yet. We still have to allocate for repairs. And if you're good with percentages, you can click the percentage sign over here and it will determine the repairs that way. And if not, just click the dollar sign and you can enter the amount of the repairs or rehab. So I entered $50,000, which gave us a fix and flip MAO of $69,000. The fix and flip MAO is different than the wholesale MAO because the fix and flip does not have to take out extra funds to make a fee. He already has his bottom line, his maximum allowable offer, and that's $69,000. He knows exactly how much he's going to make off this deal. However, for wholesalers, you know, we still have to make a profit. The fix and flipper is going to make their profit, but we still have to make our profit. So just say if I wanted to make $20,000 off of this deal, then it would subtract $20,000, which would lead us wholesalers with the MAO of $49,000 instead of $69,000. So we are not supposed to offer above that maximum allowable offer, and if so, something's going to have to give, okay? Because either way the seller is not going to be happy, or you are not going to get exactly what you want out of your assignment fee or wholesale fee. So you may have to cut into your wholesale fee a little bit to make the deal work, or you know, the seller may have to go down. You might have to renegotiate your contract in order to make the deal work. But either way, your maximum allowable offer, if your numbers are right, if you calculated the repairs correctly and everything makes sense, then your wholesale fee may be too high. But that is how you operate the basic calculator inside of ReSimpli. It does everything for you. It calculates everything for you, but you will have to input the numbers. You will have to make sure your ARV is right. As far as the advanced calculator does a lot more things. It has a lot more features. You have your resale price after it's fixed up, which is the ARV, minimum required profit. Like I said, you can move from the percentage to the dollar sign if that helps you better. Include your wholesale fee, repair costs, your project duration, if it's like a fix and flip, if you are financing a purchase, or if you're using cash, your purchase closing costs, your appraisal fee, your home inspection. It can go on and on and on. Good thing I like that is because you can enter as many costs as you want, or as ReSimpli allows, including your property taxes, electricity. So if you're actually looking to purchase a property yourself, the advanced calculator would be best for you to use instead of the basic calculator, because it has more advanced features that you can enter, including selling costs, realtor commission, closing fees. If you like ReSimpli's basic and advanced calculator feature, you can try it free for 14 days using my affiliate link. I will drop it down below. Also, if you love ReSimpli and want to continue to use it, you'll get your first month 50% off using my affiliate link as well. The ReSimpli Calculator is a game changer for investors who want to work smarter and not harder. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and insider strategies to help you level up your real estate investing game. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.